What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. In this video, we are going to create a Facebook ad campaign for affiliate marketing. I'm very excited to show you guys this on exactly how to set up an affiliate marketing campaign on Facebook ads. It's very simple. A lot of people overthink it. Now, as you know, on YouTube and all over, everyone has their own strategies. So if someone else has a strategy, test it, implement it, see if you get results doing it. In every different type of business model that you do on Facebook advertising, you may have to do different strategies with different methods. Now, for example, if I'm promoting an affiliate product, the strategy is going to be a lot different than if I'm promoting a product that I own. Because with an affiliate product, you don't have full access of the pixel placement, everything that you need for that aspect. And that goes for a client now. If you're doing social media marketing, you may take a different angle. A lot of what we do in e-commerce, Facebook, affiliate marketing, a lot of it's very similar. It's just the strategies are actually different. But more than anything, I'm excited to show you guys this. Let's actually dive in and set up an affiliate marketing campaign.
Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day.
Now, if you've never set up a Facebook ad before for affiliate marketing for Facebook ads, just drop a like on this video. I'm pumped to show you this strategy. And now it's very easy to implement. So what I want you to do first, whenever you start advertising, it does not matter on the traffic source. You have to research, you have to spy. You have to see what's working, and in this clip now, I'm going to show you exactly, just a little bit of research, some offer spying, and just looking around. But more importantly, you're going to want to set up a fan page in that niche. So I'm assuming that you potentially have a fan page set up on Facebook. If you don't, just log into your profile on the top right side. You can just click create fan page. Now, once you do that, you've done your research, you have your fan page, you got to make sure you have all your tracking. If you're not tracking, then you might as well just pause your campaigns right now. You have to be tracking your affiliate marketing campaigns, because if you don't track, you're not going to know what's working, what's not working, and in the beginning, you're going to be buying data. So now we have all that done. Let me show you a little bit of what's going on. So right now, what I use for my landing page builder, I actually use ClickFunnels. I prefer ClickFunnels. Now, you can actually find a ton of landing page builders out there. Now, there is Lead Pages. You can use WordPress. You can build your sites yourself. But there's a ton of funnel builders out there. I use ClickFunnels. It's drag and drop. It's very simple. All you have to do is create a funnel. And it's very simple. You should be able to build one in maybe 15 minutes, all drag and drop. Now, I have a video on my YouTube channel where I show a little bit about setting up one. So make sure to watch that video. If you have not, I'll put a link somewhere in this video so you can actually go watch that. But more importantly, I'm going to show you some landing pages that are actually for the offer that I'm going to be showing you today. So this offer is actually called Ted's Woodworking. Now, this is an affiliate landing page. This is not my landing page, but I did some spying and I actually found this landing page here, and the landing page looks decent. But what I want to say is that, so pay close attention to this. What is Ted's Woodworking? So this is more of a long form landing page. They're giving details. They're actually showing designs. And now these are very interesting designs. I've never seen designs like this, Kids and Crafts and More. But as you see, this is a drag and drop landing page that was put together. Now, who is Ted? They're giving more info about him. This is just testimonials from Facebook fan pages. Now, what this person probably did, as you see, they probably went to Facebook and they typed in woodworking fan page groups, and they found testimonials related to this niche. And as you see, they put in a money-back guarantee, and they're putting that the price. So they're pre-selling the audience before they even leave. So they see the ad on Facebook. Now, you don't want to try to reinvent the wheel. So I want you to take a look at this. So let's actually head over to ClickBank. Now, in ClickBank, you can sign up for free. It takes 2 minutes to sign up. You can actually come look around, and you'll actually see different affiliate offers that you can promote. Now, I'm assuming that a lot of you have probably seen ClickBank offers before, but, a couple side notes. Make sure that you're utilizing the Facebook pixel placement that you can do. Make sure you have all your instant postback URL set up, all your tracking set up in ClickBank. Because remember, if you're going to spend money, you might as well be tracking and making sure you're doing it right correctly. So you can come through and look at different offers, different niches, and see how much they pay out. Now, a lot of the offers in ClickBank, they give you the potential to earn money on the upsell. So you may not make a ton of money on the front end, but if someone buys the upsells, that's where you make that extra $50, $150 is from those upsells. So, you know, whatever niche you're actually promoting in, whether it's in games or whether it's in health and fitness, come in here, look around to see if there's offers that you're interested in promoting and start researching those. Look for angles that you can take and actually start promoting. So now let's actually look at one more landing page. So this is another landing page, very simple landing page. So what they did is they put this TED Woodworking video on here. They actually have some stuff on the bottom left. People just purchased tedsworking.co. Very simple landing page, but you know, look for landing pages. If you're not creative, you can also outsource it. I recommend before outsourcing, trying to do it yourself and try to learn it. You do not need to be an expert, but you always want to know a little bit about what's going on, enough to know that you're not getting ripped off in the industry, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. There's a lot of people who are advanced and know exactly what they're doing, and they will take advantage of that. I don't want you guys being taken advantage of, you know, someone telling you that they'll build you a landing page like this and they're trying to charge you $1,000. Now, this landing page could probably be put together and replicated in 15 minutes, but there's people out there who will try to charge you $1,000 just for a landing page like this. I've seen people and heard horror stories of people getting taken to the cleaners as a beginner. So don't let that be you. But more importantly, let me actually show you the Facebook side now. So take a close look at this. I hope this isn't your guys' fan page. But look, this was put up 4 months ago. They're still running ads on this fan page. Start your woodworking with the world's largest collection of 16,000 easy plans. Now, this is very consistent with what's on the landing pages and also what's on the affiliate offer video sales letter. Video sales letter is when a video plays, you know, 10, 30 minutes, and they're trying to sell that customer. The reason these video sales letters are so long, if someone watches it to the end, they are making an educated purchase. So look right here, they have their link right here. They have one of their tracking links in there. Now, I want you to pay close attention to this. Now, when you're building your Facebook ads out and your creatives, now you want to do your spying, but look at the social proof that's actually on this, and look how long this post has actually been running. I mean, you can get a ton of ideas just by looking at what's already working. If someone hasn't made money with this in 4 months, then they would not be running this 4 months. So keep that in mind. The length of an ad that's actually running is very beneficial. So let's go back to the drawing board before I go to Facebook. So now you've done your research, you see the landing page, you saw the fan page that the advertorial that the person was using. They made a Ted's Woodworking landing page. So now I want you to be taking notes and implementing everything that I'm showing you. So if you're just at the beginning stages, or you know, you have a campaign working and you're not getting success with it, go back to the drawing board and look at all the steps of your funnels. Is it your ad copy? Did you ask yourself these questions right now? Did I research enough? What is my fan page? Did I set up my tracking? Do I have, and also too, if you have any questions, just shoot me a private message in my DMs, and I try to get back to everybody as soon as possible, by the way. But more importantly, so now we're ready to actually go to the Facebook side. Now, I'm just going to show you an overview of how you can set this up. It's very simple. So right here on Facebook, when you're logged in, you just want to hit create. Now, when you're building your first Facebook ad campaign for your affiliate marketing campaign, now let's just say you social proofed it already, you have an angle that's potentially working, or this could be the first time. Now, people always ask me, Anthony, what is the best objective that I can be using for affiliate marketing campaigns? And the real answer is it depends. It depends on what step of the funnel your user is at. If you're doing retargeting, you're going to take a different objective angle. Now, if it's a campaign you're building for the first time, you will take a different angle. You will use a different objective. Now, if it's a video, if you're using a video, let's just say you have a 5-minute video, you're going to take a different strategy with that video. If this is an image, I use a different strategy. Now, let's just say for training purposes, to keep it very simple, let's just start off with a traffic campaign so we can get people into our funnel and get traffic going to our landing page. Now, it's crucial because if you get people coming to our landing page, we can retarget them at different steps of the funnel. So we can just do traffic, and I'll just put in right now Ted's Woodworking for now, and let's just hit continue. Now make sure you're naming your ad sets. You want to keep your back office as organized as possible. And now as you're picking your objective, I want you to know, when I say different objectives, I've had success with all of the objectives, but I've had success in different ways when I'm using it for different parts of my funnel. Now, let's actually scroll down. If you're new to Facebook advertising, you can do targeting. Now, you can upload your customer list. You can actually upload lookalike audiences. Now, that's very beneficial if you do that. Now, you want to make sure you're checking where this offer can be promoted. So you want to browse right over to ClickBank. Now on ClickBank, when you choose an offer, it will actually tell you where your traffic can come from. Can it come from the United States, United Kingdom? So make sure you choose the right targeting for your offer. You do not want to choose an offer that, let's just say, it only allows United States, but then you're targeting all over the world. So make sure you know exactly where to target. Now let's get back into it. So age range, now these are different things that you can actually test on Facebook. The beauty of this is that we can actually narrow in on our targeting and choose that. Now, if you don't know how to do detailed targeting, now a lot of people don't realize this. When you start a campaign, you're not going to just build one campaign with one ad set and just do $5 a day. You're not going to come here and just put in woodworking interest. 53,000 million. And now we can do suggestions and see which one of these. Now what we can do is split test each one of these. Woodworking, woodcraft. I mean, you want to be split testing all of these. So let's just say you have 20 ad sets. Out of those 20 ad sets, one of them may be the actual winner. So where a lot of people go wrong is they just test one aspect. They'll come here, they say it's Ted's Woodworking. They just target Ted's Woodworking. They put in $5 a day and they hope for the best. That is going to cause failure, and I don't want you guys failing on your Facebook ads. Now, if you guys, by the way, if you guys are getting a ton of value from this, drop a like and let me know you like content like this so I can put out more just like this. I'm very excited to kind of show like what's in my mind and how I create my affiliate marketing campaigns. So detailed targeting, I could talk for 2 hours on detailed targeting. So you're going to have to test that. Now next with Facebook, you want to do edit the placements. You don't want to just run automated placements even if you're running an affiliate campaign. Now keep in mind, I never run audience network, so each one of these, now you can choose different ones for, so if you're running a video, you could run suggested videos, you could run on the feeds. Now if you're using an image, you can also change that. Now what I want you to know that you want to make sure you always check the device types. So if you're going to run desktop, run desktop. And make sure you want to split test this, because when I run desktop versus mobile, I get different. The cost is highly different from desktop to mobile. Some affiliate offers will convert better on desktop and some affiliate offers will convert better on mobile. And one side note on this, so let's just say we are promoting Ted's Woodworking. We want to pull this up on our desktop and see how it looks coming from, like, put yourself in the customer's perspective. If a customer's coming from Facebook, you want to walk through all the steps as a customer. If you're targeting mobile, get on your iPhone, get on your Android, get on your phone and go through the funnel. See if the affiliate offer even looks good on a phone or it looks good on a tablet, because sometimes these offers they look like complete junk on certain devices, and you have to know that if you're going to be spending money. So make sure to test that out. Now, one last thing, in terms of budget, like I said, you're going to be testing different ad sets. So if it's $10 a day and you're testing 6 or 7 different ad sets, then test that. Then you want to be making sure, in the previous week, you saw me talking about kill metrics. When you start to get leads and conversions, you can come up with that kill metric. So if that kill metric, if the offer pays out $2 and you're getting conversions for $5, you're going to know to kill or pause that ad set. And you're testing, 10 different audiences, you'll have to determine that kill metric. But anyways, I could talk all day about that also. So optimization for link clicks. Now right here, you want to make sure when you get charged, just change this over to link click. Now you can split test impression versus link click. Now you will get different results. Now one last recap in terms of your ad schedule. Now let's just say for ad schedule, you want to test this because a lot of people, they want to do day parting from the beginning, and what I recommend is don't do day parting from the beginning. I like to set my ads to run continuously, but a lot of people will try to change their ads to run only in the morning or only in the evening. Don't do that until you have enough data that says, okay, I'm getting all my conversions between 6 p.m. and midnight at night. Don't make that decision till you have enough data. Now, all you have to do is just click continue. And since right now we're just on my Anthony Alfonso fan page, by the way, if you guys haven't seen my Anthony Alfonso fan page on Facebook, come like it and yeah, shoot me a message on there. That would be awesome if you guys did that. But anyways, so now we see that we have to put in our creative. So this is where it comes into play, where you have your tracking, you have your image, you have your video, you have your content ready to go for Facebook. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this on how you could easily set up a Facebook affiliate marketing campaign. You want to make sure you have your landing page ready to go. You did your spying. Everything's all good to go. Now, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and just click confirm, and Facebook will approve your ad. Now, sometimes they may disapprove it. So make sure in the previous videos you see and I mentioned, look at Facebook's policy. So if you're running weight loss, health, go look at Facebook's policies for that. If you're running different niches, if it's gaming on Facebook, go look for the gaming rules on Facebook. But anyways, guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate everybody's time for, tuning in. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers and meeting a lot of new people. So, by the way, thank you for all the existing subscribers also. But if you guys have any questions, just comment below this video. And lastly, come check out my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates. I post content in there that I do not post on YouTube. I do not post anywhere else. So if you guys want to see that content, just join my free Facebook group. But anyways, have a great day and thank you for watching.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some cotton. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry. So I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' ride me. I heard the same.